Wow, yes, I can see you there. Welcome to our study this hour. This teacher Hilary, a teacher of biology and also agriculture, of course, but for now, let's focus on biology. Today's topic is on enzymes. Enzymes. What are enzymes? Enzymes are organic catalysts. They are catalysts in the body systems of organisms. They are there to speed up or slow down the rate of biochemical reactions which occur in our bodies, other organisms. To mean without enzymes, those processes could have proceeded in a speed that cannot sustain life, or that is too high, that is not good for life. Types of enzymes. Enzymes are categorized into two: intracellular enzymes and extracellular enzymes. Intracellular and extracellular enzymes. Intracellular enzymes means these are enzymes that are secreted within given cells, and they are used within those cells. Cell contain. They are produced there and used there. Yes, it's like you're born in a given village, grow up there, school there, and you work there. So intracellular enzymes means they are produced and used within the cells that produce them. Examples of such enzymes are respiratory enzymes. Some of the enzymes found in the organelle mitochondria. They are secreted there, they are used in that place. Extracellular enzymes are enzymes that are produced in some cells and they are used outside the cells that produce them. Examples of such enzymes are those enzymes, digestive enzymes. One could be produced in the liver, go work in small intestines. So that's extracellular, produced here but used to be used elsewhere. Yes, you've studied, don't know, your village, your city or where, and you work far away from that place. So produce here, then work in another place. So two types of enzymes, intracellular and extracellular enzymes. Let's look at how enzymes are named. We have two ways of naming enzymes. One is called trivial naming, and number two is called adding of suffix ase, A-S-E, adding of suffix ase. Let me focus on the first one. Trivial naming is considered to be the oldest method of naming enzymes, where the scientists who discovered those enzymes were named after the scientists, and they always end with letter in. Examples: pepsin, trypsin, thiolin. So ending with in. That is trivial naming. Adding of suffix ase. I'm told in English, suffix is at the end of the main word, prefix is before, so suffix is at the end. So the ase, ase is added to one, the substrate or the food substance. Substrate is also called food substance. The substrate, the food substance being broken down, or the reaction. So for instance, if there's a substance being broken down, or the substrate is sucrose, then the enzyme will be called sucrase. If the substrate is peptides, then the enzyme will be peptidase. So that is amylose or starch. The enzyme will be called amylase. Or that is now to the substrate. Or you add ase to a reaction like oxidation reaction, then the enzyme will be called oxidase. Reduction process, the enzyme will be called reductase. Hydrolysis, enzyme will be called hydrolase. So we add ase to either the food substance, that is the substrate, or the reaction. So two ways of naming enzymes: trivial naming and adding of suffix ase. Properties of enzymes. What are some of the properties of enzymes? Enzymes are very efficient in small amounts. So we do not need big lot of them, just efficient. So they are very efficient in small amounts. Secondly, they are sensitive to changes in temperature. High temperature above optimum denature the enzymes. And also very low temperature below optimum will inactivate the enzymes. Why are enzymes sensitive to changes in temperature? It is because enzymes are protein in nature. And proteins, one of the properties of proteins is that they are sensitive to temperature. Thirdly, the reactions catalyzed by these enzymes are reversible. They are reversible. For example, a process such as condensation could be catalyzed by a group of given enzymes. The reverse of it is hydrolysis, which is also done by enzymes. So generally, the reaction catalyzed by enzymes are reversible. Another property is that enzymes are not used up. They are not used up. They are not part of the raw materials in any process. They are not part of the raw materials. So they are not used up. So because they are not used up, their work is just to catalyze the reaction. So they can be reused. They can be used again and again and again. Finally, what is the importance of these enzymes? The importance of enzymes is that it sustains life by ensuring that the reactions proceed at a pace that is required. Without enzymes, some reactions would have taken place in a very slow rate that cannot sustain life, or others could have gone with a very high speed that can destroy the cells. For instance, if too much energy is produced in the organelle mitochondrion, it can burn the cells. So enzymes are there to check that such processes proceed at the required pace. So let us summarize. We've learned that enzymes are biochemical reactions, but they are organic catalysts. There are two types, intracellular and extracellular. There are two ways of naming enzymes: trivial naming and adding of suffix "-ase". Thank you so much. Meet next time. Goodbye.